And in charge, Saiba, what do you want to ask?
My question is, there are some Waqfat now who need to confirm their works, but when we contact them for any program, they do not respond at all. And even when asking them if they wish to continue with the Waqf, they still do not respond. What will Huzur advise about those Waqf now?
Those who do not want to get in touch with you, then give them the last warning that if you do not want to contact us, then we are going to report your case to the center that your name should be removed from the list of the Waqfat now. Then you send their report to us and then we shall remove the name of those Waqfat now. Right? Those who do not want to continue their Waqf, then they can leave, no problem. There is no compulsion.
Yes.